everyone, I'm Mary Beth from babysavers.com, and today I am going to show you how to make a reverse dyed or bleach dyed Trolls t-shirt. And this is the shirt that I made. You can see it features Poppy from Trolls with wearing her little flower crown and with a flower chain underneath her. And I am going to show you exactly how to make one of your own. So before we get to the demonstration of how to make this shirt, there are just a few things that I want to go over. First, let's review what you need for supplies. First thing is a shirt. So here's another purple shirt that I have. Next is bleach. This is just a bottle of bleach from Dollar Tree, so it's nothing fancy, not a name brand. It also worked just fine, so I wouldn't recommend going out and spending too much money on bleach if you don't have any already. You also need a spray bottle. Now, this is actually a hairspray bottle that was almost empty when I found it, and I just emptied it out and washed it out and filled it up with the bleach water that I used. And let's see, then you need a design. This is the one that I used of Poppy from Trolls, and you can get this on my website at babysavers.com/trollsshirts. It's free. You can just go there and download it so you have it. And finally, you need cardboard. Now I know this is weird. This is a t-shirt form, and I would not have used this except my aunt had given me some craft supplies not that long ago, and this is one of the things that she gave me. It is super old. I'm guessing that you can still make these, or you can still buy these, but this one is so old. It's from like this brand and store that from my hometown that doesn't exist anymore, but it worked perfectly for this shirt. But you don't need a t-shirt form. You do need cardboard. It just prevents the bleach water from seeping from that top layer that you're spraying through to the back layer and bleaching the back of the shirt, because you don't want to do that if you don't have a pattern on there. All right, so that is everything you need for supplies to make your Trolls bleach dyed or reverse dyed shirt. So bleach dyeing, just so you know, bleach dyeing and reverse dyeing are apparently the same thing. There are also just a couple things you need to do before you start bleach dyeing, just to make sure you're all prepared. So the first thing you need to do is wash your shirt. Now, from what I understand, brand new clothing has some sort of coating on it when it comes from the factory, and that coating can prevent how well it absorbs water, and also how the bleach reacts to the fabric. So just wash it in hot water in the washing machine, just run it through a regular cycle and make sure it's totally dry, and you'll be set to go. The other thing you need to do is just protect all your spaces. So I have an old tablecloth here that I put down to do my bleach spraying, and then if you're with kids, you definitely want to have like aprons and protective gear. I also had gloves nearby in case there's 3 of them here, in case the chemicals bothered my skin, but it is watered down bleach, so it didn't bother me, so I didn't need them. And I also have an apron here, so you can wear this to protect your clothes, and make sure you wear play clothes, because if bleach gets on something, there's no changing it after it's done. So that is and goggles. Make sure you have sunglasses or something to protect your eyes, because especially the kids, just because bleach can be very harmful. So you have to be careful and make sure that your kids are supervised as you do this project. So let's get to the whole DIY, how to make these bleach dyed shirts, and I hope that you have fun making this project of your own. Like I said, the Poppy design is available at babysavers.com/trollsshirts. And I would love, if you do this, I'd love to see pictures. So if you could share a picture in the comments, that would be awesome. Thanks a lot, guys.